How are you all? Welcome back to Shiba Inu. Crypto Elon Musk said that Shiba Inu will hit $1 after today's Shib news. Shiba Inu always reacts to a huge use a price pump to burn, like when vitalizing butter burned 42.2% of all the Shiba Inu that was made in. It was May 2021 when Shiba Inu gave the best ROI since the beginning of the year in any cryptocurrency. From January to October of that year, the Shibu's price went up by more than 40 million per. If you had worked hard, you could have died rich in 10 months after putting money into just $250. In this lesson, we'll talk about Elon Musk said that Shiba Inu will reach $1. After today's Shib news, don't forget to share the thumbs up and sign up for the service to see our newest posts about Shiba Inu price, predictions and feedback from experts. Without further ado, let's start the movie. So many people want to invest in Inu because tens of thousands of supporters love setting fire to ships. In November 20th, the Shiba Inu's burn rate pumped over 120% more than the day before, but there wasn't a price pump. Shiba burn data from the tracker shows that Shiba Inu is set to have one of its worst months of burn rates. The burn rate could have pumped 120% on November 20th, but it wasn't very. Only 370 big fans have been taken down. Million ship worth about $882 million into $3,200 million in October and $31 billion in May. Not likely that a $3,200 burn will change a token that has a market value of $4.7 billion in order to burn, to get a big amount of money from the quantity that's going around for that to happen. Shinu holds a rally for 2 days. 7% stays the same, but some people are taking profits. Pretty normal at the moment and putting on. The chart couldn't have come at a worse time. Moment as bears could be seen coming in with big amounts based on the US dollar is falling even more and stocks keeping up their Christmas rally. You can expect some balance and maybe drop in the short term back to the low of November. The Shibu price went into the green trend line going up from November 9th and saw a positive test in November 14th after prices dropped below it. Bulls are trying to break right now back above it, even though they failed on Wednesday night when the second test was over. What happened this morning in the Asia Pacific and failed again because this time the red line going down came into send a firm rejection. Shib is at risk of becoming a bull right now. Trap seeing how the rejection is being. Lots of people want to sell and bears are going back to run price action down. The US also has a trend like this. Dollar, which hit its highest point yesterday and is now. It looks like it's going down and back down. Along with the Shib of the US dollar, even more fades and stocks move up. Back, you can expect to see the low price come back. Of this week close 0817, this will happen this holiday season. It might have been a short break before getting back into coins once the price drops above that red line that goes down. You can expect a quick rise to 0.149 at the 55-day simple moving average before going for the 200-day SMA at 0.124. Buyers who are brave enough to buy this. Short-term dips are up about 25%. More money in their portfolio. December is almost here, and it's the last month of. A lot of progress has been made this year. Most likely will start in the next few days. ICO projects will do things that will let them get off to a good start next year. Because of this, December is expected to be one of the coins that will go up in value in the market. How well the price worked for the month of December is Shinu and dogecoin expected to stay pretty good as people in the crypto community are still hanging on in exchange for these coins by Twitter. If this takes place, Shiba Inu should. This would be a great way to end the year on a high note. They are some of the best cryptocurrency coins to buy this in the next few days. December Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are also likely to. Putting together their environment and these teams are building will be useful. Adoptions as payment in particular. Coins are one reason why they could do well in December, though. Shiba Inu can't post anything important. Prices going up without Twitter use. That's why blockchain buyers have to pay. A lot of thought when they bought these coins today on the official Twitter page. The lead person on the team that watches over Shiba. A person from Inu Burn Transactions has reached out to. Elon Musk is the CEO of Twitter and raised big. Tuesday worries about the platform. The head of Twitter said that Twitter reached yet another all-time high in daily. It had 1.6 million daily users when it saw a rise. Someone replied to the tweet by a number of social media stars, including the person who makes material for Bill Event, who goes by the Twitter name Mr. Beast, who talked about the daily busy users of. His show has been on YouTube for a while now. Musk has more than 20 million followers. Said, let's see what happens when Twitter has good videos with better quality. Payment for writers who add written. Also happy with this, Shrun replied with, number of major problems the account asked the CEO of Twitter how the site would deal with copying if it made you money. Soon, the Twitter name will also mention stories that plagiarize content and said making money from the work of other people might not be a good idea. Great ways to handle cheating in this case, we've seen a lot of copycat accounts stealing and copying our work. What's inside it might not be a good idea if they can make money from The tweet said, people's work. Not surprisingly, Musk did not reply to the checklist. It's not just Shiba Burn, an account related to Shiba that has raised the most important worries about microblogging. Old base for the Shibu growth breed. Member and social media mogul who uses the Twitter name at Lucy Chib has been bringing up the shadow bans and bots to the CEO of Twitter almost each day by following Musk's Twitter address. There were rumors that the tech billionaire would change the platform into an app for everything. Could have payment options that adding Bitcoin. Musk has been talking about this before he even set his sights on buying Twitter being allowed. Musk, a crypto advocate, is expected to soon add crypto to Twitter, but the exact date is still up in the air. Even though the tech millionaire backs equal to Shiba Inu Dogecoin without Musk's beating up, the value of the humble currency has gone through the roof. In popularity over the past few months has brought about groundbreaking projects that put the altcoin on the way it is now. It can seem hard to stay away from Elon Musk these days. You can get Tesla if you live in Central Texas and a number of other companies. Rich person, as if that wasn't enough. People who say they are huge Elon fans are pulling a huge model of Musk's face on the back of a goat riding a rocket in and around Austin, the sculpture. The people who own a Bitcoin company called Elon's Goat Coin and say it's for pay attention to what Musk has done for cryptocurrency. The figure is meant to represent as a sign that Musk is the GOAT and a short form for greatest of all time, which that's why the billionaire's face is it's on the back of a goat's body. Caravan that's more than 30 feet long. Musk's head was 20 feet tall and wore the Dogecoin chain is about 6 tall. The piece also has parts like fake rocket fire, smoke, lasers, and use of lights to market and urge the blockchain app Elon Goat. People who own tokens want to give Musk this statue in person while theirs. It's not clear if Musk will accept the owners of the sculpture hope to bring it on Saturday to the offices of Tesla after a company event. Goats putting on a party for people who like Musk and cryptocurrency. People who are there are asked to join the delivery and Musk hasn't come up with it. Sure, he knows where the statue is or if he'll be in Austin on that day. Cryptocurrencies have had a rough time 2022 because of how often it happens. Market crashes happen when there are too many of there are coins on the market. Prices to drop because people lost trust in their worth and change their options for buying, but crypto. Analysts think that Bitcoin's is going to stay a popular digital part for readers despite the changes in their prices. That's all of it. Don't forget to smash the today. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our newest videos.